Now, once you've received your BN-20 and opened the box, there's a couple of things included that you should check for and be familiar with. The power cord and the USB cable. Not going to get very far without these. The software package will include a utility software and drivers, which are needed to run the device, as well as RWorks, an easy-to-use design software. Also included is Roland VersaWorks, a RIP program that will get you the best results from the BN-20. If your device uses EcoSol Max ink, you'll find a Sol ink cleaning cartridge as well as 4 dummy cartridges. You'll also see an odd-shaped instrument which is a jig used to insert the cartridges correctly. We'll be using these later. You'll find a wiper scraper, a felt wiper, and blade holder along with a pin and a blade. These are your initial parts to get you started, and they'll need to be replaced occasionally, but more about that later on too. Finally, you'll find cleaning sticks and fluid, as well as the manuals and operation guides for easy reference and troubleshooting.